This 2022 Forest River Grey Wolf 26 DJSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, smoke detector, oven, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Grey Wolf 26 DJSE is 4,596 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.